Good morning, everybody. I know a lot of you have been, asking question on how can I create a channel, how will I be able to set up my YouTube channel, how will I be able, what are the steps needed to create a YouTube channel. A lot of you, go a long way by paying people to, create you a YouTube channel. Now, in this video, you will learn how to create your own personal YouTube channel, how to go about it, what you need to do and what not to do on it. So, guys, without not wasting much time, welcome to this channel. This is a brand new channel, and this is my first video on this channel on the YouTube journey. So, I start with how to set up your YouTube account. So, watch me carefully on how I will show you how to set up your YouTube channel account step by step. So let's dive in.
YouTube, it's where we watch videos, right? But you can make videos too. Share your thoughts, your talents, anything you love. Maybe you're great at baking. Make videos showing everyone your recipes. Love video games? Show off your skills. YouTube connects you with the world. It's your platform to teach, entertain, and express yourself. Plus, it can be a lot of fun. Ready to start? Let's do it. First things first, you need a Google account. Don't have one? No worries, it's easy. Go to google.com and click sign up. Follow the steps, and you'll have your account in no time. Now, head over to youtube.com. See that sign in button at the top? Click it and use your new Google account. You did it, you're in. Now let's make that channel. Click on your profile picture. It's a circle at the top right corner. See create a channel? That's our ticket. Time to get creative. Choose a catchy name for your channel. What will people call you? Write a short description of your channel. Tell people what your videos will be about. Lastly, add a profile picture. It could be a photo of you or a cool logo. Make it yours. You have a channel. Now make your first video. What will you share with the world? Keep it short and sweet for your first video. Introduce yourself and your channel. Have fun with it. Once it's ready, hit that upload button. Congratulations, you're officially a YouTuber. Keep creating. The more videos you make, the more people will find you. Welcome to the community.